I rise to speak on this resolution that talks about strengthening regulatory requirements, attracting airlines, planning routes, managing airport utilization, maximizing passenger convenience, and strengthening tourism and trade. Speaker sir, थोडे दीस पयलीं हांगा इंडिगोचो जो जेन्ना मॅच जालें आनी सगळ्यांच्यो म्हळ्यार एंटायर travel plans got, flights vanished overnight, passengers were stranded, elderly citizens had no place to sit, families were separated, tourists were forced to pay 40 to 50,000 for a 40-minute flight to Mumbai. हे सगळें जेन्ना जालें तेन्ना हांवें एक क्वेश्चन घालो असेंब्लीक आतां 13 जानेवारीक जो आयला थंय म्हाका रिप्लाय आयला द इंडिगो एअरलायन्स ऑपरेशन इज विदिन द डोमेन ऑफ द मिनिस्ट्री फॉर सिव्हिल एव्हिएशन गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ गोवा. सो बेसिकली सरकार कितें सांगूंक सोदता की अशें कितें जालें जाल्यार वी हॅव नो कंट्रोल, वी हॅव नो लिवरेज एंड वी हॅव नो ऑथॉरिटी. स्पीकर सर, आतां सरकाराचें सांगप कितें की हो आमचो डिपार्टमेंट न्ही. आतां दिलायला लोबो म्हणटा यू हॅव टू अट्रॅक्ट एअरलायन्स बट यू कॅनॉट इवन कंट्रोल वन एअरलायन that controls 70% of the traffic. Speaker sir, she has made a good observation of balancing the utilization between Daboli and Mopa. Ata, during this Indigo crisis, both the airports were paralyzed because both are dependent on the same private monopoly. Speaker sir, ata Mukhyamantri Nemache aikuche. I have got a report from a very responsible person of high standing in Goa, who has told me that a senior Navy admiral has written to the Defence Ministry saying that post-Operation Sindoor, the naval airport of INS Hansa may be required for strategic defence purposes. Malar, amche neighbor exact antipodal position to Karachi Assam, and therefore that airport should be kept for the Navy. Man. This is a responsible thing. I am aware that your Minister for Transport, Mr. Movin Gudin, is also aware of this. And this has been told to me by a very responsible citizen who is a top businessman in Goa. Now, Speaker sir, हाजेर मातशें चॅक करचें. अशें जर GMR कोणाक धरलां, कित्याक GMRचो जर रिपोर्ट पळयलो जाल्यार GMR is making loss. GMR would like to make a monopoly by shutting down Daboli. And one senior admiral has written this. And by writing this may create the Daboli airport to be shut down. So this is a fear that I am expressing. If this is unfounded, you may say that it is unfounded. But I am just trying to say that like the failure of Indigo, this failure of governance should not show.
Honorable member will speak about the resolution.
One minute. I am Speaker sir, I will cite rules by which I am speaking within the resolution.
Right, I will see. I also will learn.
Rule 111, check up.
I'll check.
Check up. I will also send it to you.
You start
Speaker sir, now the government has to create a state aviation regulator. Like in Mumbai, there is a Mumbai International Airport Limited, MIAL. There is a CIDCO, there is a Bangalore International Airport Limited. There is no authority in Goa. Goyan कित जाला, Speaker sir? It is like a government builds an airport but has no power over airlines. It's like building a highway, but one truck is allowed to block the entire highway. So Speaker sir, तशें जायना. So ताजे खातीर हांव मागता की state government, sometimes when there is a crisis response protocol, you have to activate emergency transport. केरला नाल्यार हिमाचलान जेन्ना फ्लड जाले तेन्ना इमर्जन्सी ट्रान्सपोर्ट म्हणून केले, प्राइस कंट्रोल हाडले, टुरिझम सपोर्ट डेस्क केले, ऑल्टरनेटिव्ह अरेंजमेंट केले. गोंयान कांय ना आनी गोवा इज वॉन्टिंग टू बी द टुरिझम कॅपिटल. प्राइस गेजिंग मेकॅनिझम जाय, मल्टी एअरलायन प्रोटेक्शन पॉलिसी जाय. स्पीकर सर, दीज आर रिक्वायर्ड. आतां मोपा एअरपोर्ट जालो, मुख्यमंत्र्यान हे घालूंक जाय, एक ऑथॉरिटी कर थंय, सो दॅट देर इज अ प्रॉपर थिंग. This resolution is speaking about facilitation mechanisms within existing policies. But during this Indigo crisis, there was not a single facilitation. Instead, we are told Delhi will handle it. So, Speaker sir, I am saying that I respect the one MLA from the ruling dispensation with good intentions has placed this resolution before the House. Her party has also allowed it because it's a feel-good topic.
Yes.
But this very debate was also held in 2008 for a dual airport study. Recommendations were not implemented. So Sarkar kaso behave karta, and Sarkar is behaving like a bhatkar. Bhatkaran zamin lease दिल्या. आता तुमच्या हांगा खंय ते मांद्र्या जाले ते भाटकारान लीज दिल्या. आता तो कितें करतलो तो आपूण कितें करूं? आपल्यान लीज दिल्या. So Sarkar cannot be a bhatkar. I am saying Sarkar should be a Sarkar. So हांव हे resolution support करता. म्हणून एक मागता की सरकार cannot be a mute government to corporate monopolies. If MOPA and Daboli are truly to serve the people of Goa, this government must stop behaving like a landlord and start behaving like a government. And one thing, I require a clear clarification on this senior admiral. Mr. Movin Gudino is also aware of this, what I am
Yes,
saying,
yes,
I think so.
yes, yes.
I want
Honorable-
a clarification whether this is true and what
Honorable
steps the
MLA
government is
Benji
taking
Vegas.
to avoid the closure of Daboli. Because this is
Honorable
what
MLA
is-
Benji Vegas.
This is my apprehension. Yeah,
Name of Mr. Movin could not be expunged. Please sit. Please sit. Please sit.
I have a right to reply in a few words.
Honorable MLA Movin Gudino's name must be expunged.
Regards
Please
to
sit.
the
Because sir, I have a right
private
to
member resolution
Rebuke. No, even if it expires, I want to say
Delilah
something.
Lobo.
Dabolim is dear to all of us, to whole of Goa. In fact, I will still maintain and say that it is centrally located. We are more concerned than
Yes.
what he is concerned. But one thing,
कितकोन रे?
listen, 1 minute.
No crosstalk. No crosstalk.
How Santa, but one thing has to be done. I want to be on record on the floor of this house.
Yeah.
There is a sinister design by the private party
That's what he
to try
said.
and cannibalize and take more flights so that airport automatically closes.
That's what he said. That's
This-
what Honorable MLA said.
This I have brought to the
Intention
notice
na?
of Honorable
Agar
Chief
abo-
Minister. I have brought it to the notice of Honorable Civil Aviation Minister as well as the Tourism Minister who had come recently, Shekhawat ji. And he told me, and Defence Minister, Mr. Rajnath Singh, I flagged it. They said we will never allow it to happen. But
Yes, very
very,
good.
in a
You keep on
tacit way,
following.
they are trying to do it.
You
I
keep
want
on
to tell
following,
you, before
Honorable
he tells,
Minister.
our government is concerned. Honorable
Correct.
Chief Minister
You
will not allow the closure
Yes,
of
very good.
Dabolim
Very good.
Airport.
Mr. Benji Vegas.